so in this video demonstration, Alex, another NASM certified trainer, is going to be showing you how to do the overhead squat. So hands going to be straight up overhead, feet are straight ahead, and he's going to do a couple squats for us. There you go, and come all the way back up. So we're going to start, you can rest your arms for a second. So if you take your manual, you're going to be looking at the 4 areas. You're looking at the foot and ankle complex, the knee complex, the lumbo-pelvic hip complex, and the shoulder area and the neck. And we're going to work from the toes to the head. Okay, so Alex is going to go ahead and do a couple overhead squats for us. And so we're looking at the ankles. We're looking to see if the feet collapse and come out to the side. That's your pronation distortion syndrome that's right on your manual. So Alex will do another one. Okay, come on back up. And try to demonstrate that if you could. Feet flatten and turn out a little bit as you come down. So they come out, there you go. And then come back to normal when Alex comes up. So if you notice that the feet are flattened, turning out to the side, you just check off that box on the overhead squat assessment form that I provided for you. So now Alex is going to do it again. We're working up to the knees. Are his knees crashing in? If they're crashing in, you're going to go ahead and check off that box. Simple, short, and effective. So we're going to work our way up. Looking at the lumbo-pelvic hip area and the arms. So when he comes down, does it look like he's falling forward, excessive forward lean? And he isn't, but what we'll do is we'll have him kind of bring his arms down when he comes down this time. So his arms will come forward, and then you come back up. Okay, again, if you see the arms come forward, check that off on your assessment form. Okay, now we're going to work our way up. Come on down. All right, and we're looking to see if there's any forward chin protraction. Okay, so now what he's going to do is he's going to face that wall. And from a side view, we're going to look at the lumbo-pelvic hip area. And we're going to look up here in this shoulder area. So Alex is going to do a couple squats for us. He's got kind of an arch going. Come on, stand back up. But a common one you'll see, and Alex will demonstrate for us, is the back actually rounding when he comes down. So he's going to come down, and the back's going to actually round over. Okay, just like that. Come on, back up. If you notice that, you're going to check that off on your assessment form. Okay, and one more thing, he's going to come down. We're going to look to see if the arms come forward. You can see it a little better from a side view. So is it staying good in alignment with his ears, or are they coming forward? Come on, back up. So again, if you see them coming forward when Alex comes down, you would mark that, check that off on your form. That's your arms fall forward. Okay, go ahead and relax for a second. I'll take that. So the manual I provided for you, all of those steps are right there. You have the pronation distortion, the feet collapse and turn out, check that off. If the knees come in, you're going to check that off. If the back rounds, check that area, or if the arms fall forward, you'll check that area. And then all you're going to do is take that form, whatever movement impairment, if they had the impairment, and match that up with the corrective exercise protocols that we're going to go over in the next set of videos.